Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. And I guess you can already see where we are. We are underneath Sergelstorg, aka Plattan, the main square just outside of Stockholm Central Station. And it's that time again. Walking time, so follow along. It is a very unusual time for me to walk because it's nighttime, yes, and not just because it's dark, but it's actually night. It's around, I'll say it's around 7 o'clock, 7 p.m. and yeah, let's go for a stroll. So I have two ideas for today's walk. The first is to check out the Christmas display at Nordiska Kompaniet. And the other one is to check out the ice rink of Kungsträdgården. But before I go there, I'll check this out. I'm not really sure what it is. It's some kind of digital art display, as it seems. Looks pretty funky. Oh, it reflects how these people are moving, I think. Because she's moving and the thing is moving. That's quite cool. Looking lovely. So, Jetgang, what's up? How's everyone doing? The channel is growing. There's a lot of new people, a lot of new subscribers. So people, welcome to the channel. And yeah. Follow along this ride of me. Oh, technically speaking, it's not a ride, isn't it? It's a walk. Anyways, let's walk that way. And let's check out the city by night. There's a lot of people always requesting nighttime videos, so here it is. It is Sunday today. So yeah, that means that I've already missed 5 o'clock mark for today's video. So it will be online tomorrow on Monday. And yeah, really excited about this because the Kungsträdgården ice rink is a very Stockholm thing, right? It's very popular, it's very well known, and it looks great. There's only one problem. There's copyright music, so no ads on this video. But that's how it is sometimes. You cannot have an ice rink without funky disco music, so let's see how it goes. Either I put some own music on top of it or I just leave it and for a change don't put any ads on the video. Nice. The fountain looks all lit up, red. And yeah, over here I see some advertisement for the Skansen Julmarknad, which is the Christmas market of Skansen. I still want to go there actually, I haven't been there yet. Supposed to go there actually already last week, but I never managed to do it. But yeah, work in progress. So chat gang, what's up? Did you do anything fun in the weekend? Let me know. Let us know in the chat. Because as you know, for the people that just tuned in, we have a YouTube premiere almost every day at 5 p.m. So if you watch this video afterwards, I can really recommend you tune in at 5 p.m. Swedish time, because we have this group of lovely people discussing the videos while it goes live for the first time, which is called a premiere, which is a really fun concept because it's basically like going to the movies with a lot of friends at the same time, right? Because you're having the same experience at the same time. So I really like this feature of YouTube called Premiere. Because why watch alone when you can watch it with friends, right? Same thing with the cinema. Nobody likes to watch things by themselves. I don't know what about you, but when I'm home alone, which is, by the way, a really good Christmas movie, Home Alone. So yeah, there was like a pun unintended, but anyway, I don't like to watch movies by myself. I don't know what about you, especially not like Christmas movies and things like that. Alone, it's a bit, it's a bit boring. So across the street we have the Gallerian, the shopping mall here, and we've got a lot of Christmas lights. You can also see this a little bit as a teaser for the big Christmas light video that is coming up soon, because parts of this walk will actually be in this video. But as I said before, I like to tune it in, time it in, I must say, with snow, because that's much more fun. Has to be dark and has to be snow. But yes, we're going to Kungsträdgården. Let's see if there's any people at the ice rink, and also let's check out the Nordiska Kompaniet Christmas display, which is very, very famous here in Stockholm. I see always someone filming when you're there. Let's see if there's someone else recording for their TikTok or for their Instagram or whatever they do. You can see it everywhere now. The lights are up, looking lovely. I see a lot of people actually watching here the lights, the Christmas display. I mean. So let's see how it looks. What they got in store this year. Oh, polka gris. Okay, Monica's gonna be happy now. Looks fun. Let's look at the next one. What's this one here? Nordiska Kompaniet Bageri, it says there. What's this? Oh, the bakery Santa. So every window has his own theme, right? This looks like pepperkaksgubbe. Gingerbread man is on the beach. Quite funny. See, everyone's filming here. It's really funny. What's this one? Ah, this is the wrapping Santa. Inslagningstomten. All right, let's check out the next one. Oh, this one I really like. What's this called? The Fashion Santa. All right, the next one. What's this? This is fun, people. The Book Santa. See, so every window has its own theme. All right, and last but not least is the Toy Santa. Nice. Alrighty. Nordiska Kompaniet.
Sorry, may I ask what camera is it?
This is a DJI Pocket 2. I can really recommend it. It's perfect.
Is it
Yes, auto stabilizer. Yeah, 3x like this and like this. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Have a nice day. All right. Yes. So this does not happen often to me. People start to talk to me while while I'm filming. That was funny. You asked me what kind of camera. Well, you probably heard what kind of camera it was. So as you can see, the ice rink is over there in Kungsträdgården. And I'm excited. I hope there's someone there. I hope it's not completely empty with no people. We'll see how it goes. Alrighty. Let's cross here. I'm a bit bad today with crossing the red light. I really apologize. But I'm too excited. Yes. And if you're also excited, leave a thumbs up on the video, people. That's what we want to see. Alrighty. The ice rink. Ooh, this looks nice. Lights everywhere. That's what we want to see, folks. All lit up. The Christmas tree looking all nice. We all know I'm not massive on Christmas, but okay, I gotta admit, this looks nice. I'm not gonna lie, this looks pretty cool. Alright. Alright, and there seems quite a few people there at the ice rink, so... The Kungsträdgården in general is a very nice place. It's like a hub of things. Hey, wait a second. Oh no! I think we have a break here on the ice rink. I think they have the ice machine. Oh, let's check it out. They have the ice machine actually like working on the ice. So I think people are kind of waiting until they can make their laps here. Alrighty. This looks lovely. Really feel like something is about to happen here. Alright, cool. Cool, yeah, so it's probably just gonna take 1 or 2 minutes before they restart again. Not long.
Såg du när jag gjorde?
Nej.
Alright, they've got a cool Christmas tree as well there. Check it out. Oh, this is a pretty big one actually. Really cool. I don't know if it shows properly, but you can also see the moon over there. Oh, this looks good. Alright. So let's see if they actually rent skates here. I think you can rent them here. Check it out. It says here the Kungsträdgårdens isbana open 9 in the morning to 8 at night. So you can either use your own or rent some, and that's what this queue is about, I think, is to rent skates. It's 70 crowns for adults and 30 crowns for kids. Yes. It's a bit dark here. A food truck. Nice. Oh, that's cool. This is nice. Like a little fire pit. So, there's only one thing missing. People on the ice. Otherwise the vibe is good. It would be funny if this would take 45 minutes now, and I'm just watching a video of a guy going in circles for 45 minutes. It's funny because those people are locked in there. They have to wait until the machine is done. Alright, I hope he's almost done. Otherwise they will get a really boring video. Oh yes, he's done. Oh, this is more like it. Whee! Oh yes. I timed it pretty well. I'm just waiting for a blooper, you know, so someone goes down on their face plant. It's really busy actually. I was like, I hope there's someone at the ice rink. Well, there is. I was just expecting some music actually, but apparently not. This is a great sight, people. Alright, that was fun. Let's go a bit higher up to see how it looks from here. Oh yes, there is the music, and I should probably move away from here now before I get a massive copyright strike on my video. So I think I timed it pretty well. Alright, let's walk away a little bit from here. Cool, so not a very long video today, just a short little walk, a little teaser of the Christmas vibe, folks. That's what it is. So let's walk back on this side here. That was cool. So the question is, do you like ice skating? Yes or no? Because I find it a little bit embarrassing to admit, but I can't really do it, ice skating. And which is embarrassing. You're thinking, why is that embarrassing, Daniel? Because I'm a Dutch guy. I'm born and raised in the Netherlands, and ice skating is our national sport. I'm literally like the only Dutch person that doesn't like ice skating, or it can't do ice skating. But anyways, maybe I should try today. So that's it. Maybe I rushed it a little bit, sorry about that, but I was thinking about the music. So that's it for today. I give you a thumbs up. I hope you even see my thumb because it's pretty dark. And yes, people, I'm wearing gloves because it's -5 degrees. Not the mittens I want yet. These ones are still coming up. I wish you all a great Sunday, and I see you all tomorrow on a new adventure. Bye bye.